So when you're clamping, be very careful the wood. Welcome back to DIYYolande. My name is Yolandé and thank you so much for clicking play on this video, building a farmhouse console table. But what is special about today's video is that it is a collaboration with LK Home DIY. So I will be recreating this from LK Home DIY's YouTube channel, and I'll be making my own version of it. See what LK Home DIY did from my YouTube channel? Click the link down in the description box below. And if you're here from LK Home DIY's YouTube channel or from her Instagram account, hello Bam Bam and welcome to the drillers. If you are a driller, that means you are subscribed to this channel and also you follow me on Instagram because you know that that is our official tribe name. Don't forget to click the link down in the description box to go see what LK Home DIY recreated with her own personal twist from my channel. Here are all the items you will need for this DIY. All details will be down in the description box below. Here I'm cutting down all my wood pieces to size. Okay, what we're going to start off with first to sand down all our wood pieces, all the edges, to prevent any splinters as we work with it. This top piece of the console table, I purchased it at a reclaimed wood store, and the rest of these wood pieces were purchased at Buco Hardware. Glue these together side by side. They will form legs for our console table. We'll then clamp them together, and we'll do the same with the other two 10 by 80 centimeter pieces. We will then use our off-cut pieces to just for extra stability and extra security on each side. So when you're clamping, be very careful the wood is to shift and move there. Got these clamps at Galma. They were very affordable. They are very good, so I'm very happy with them so far. We'll repeat the same process on these. Our two 10 by 80 centimeters have now been glued together, and because this is going to be a one shelf console table, we need to measure 10 centimeters off the ground. That is where the shelf for the console table is going to be. Okay. Measuring 10 centimeters. So we measure twice and we drill once, guys. Always remember that, right? Then we're going to use our square ruler to ensure that this is square, that it is all at a 90 degrees. Draw a straight line. And then our scrap piece of wood, we're going to nail it here. Okay. The importance of having an apron. Can you see? I have my nail stash here, so 8 nails are in here. Okay, let's change gear to 2 here. That's better. Whoa. Okay, that went too far deep. Okay, we're going to fill that with mistakenly drill a hole that is bigger than what you wanted, you're going to use the residue of the wood to fill it in that hole. Glue. Squirt some little bit of wood glue there. Then you wait for it to dry.
Then continue screwing in your nails.
I did on this side, we'll do on this side, except for the fact that we are not measuring the 10 centimeter gap.
This is for extra support, as I will be removing it once the console table is assembled. I'm drilling holes for the shelf.
I really wish I had the pocket screw set. This would be so much easier. But hey, when we don't have something, we work with what we have. Okay, I'm just gonna have to do this the old school way and actually screw these in.
When removing or inserting a drill bit, lay your drill back so you can center your drill bit. Once your drill bit is inserted, ensure that it is secure in the drill. And the nails are flush in the wood. Then use your wood filler. If you would like more details on what a wood filler is, check this image on my Instagram.
So this is a popsicle stick, or you could use a scraper. So I buy my wood at Buco Hardware. What's nice about Buco is that okay, I buy my wood at Buco Hardware and also at a reclaimed wood store here in Pinetown. What's nice about buying your wood at Buco is that it requires limited sanding, and also it requires very much limited having to fill in things like wood filler on edges and stuff like that. But obviously once you drill in the wood, if you want to then cover up those imperfections, you obviously put in your wood filler. But this is a reclaimed wood piece, so there's also edges and stuff that had holes, and I'm filling that in. So that is also the downside of buying wood, reclaimed wood. But the beautiful thing is that you are recycling and reusing the wood, and that is one thing that I really love about reclaimed wood, that you get to give it a second chance in life. These are imperfections of it being previously reclaimed, so I'm also going to fill that in. So remember, because we're going for a very modern farmhouse setup, we are not looking to make this look super perfect.
Once the wood filler has dried, we will then sand it down and get it ready for painting. And here's the paint that I used. Here is the first coat, but I applied 2 coats of paint. I really love how this console table turned out. Okay, let me show you what my entryway looked like before and an after. If you would like to know how I created these faux ceramic vases and this basket, click the link up here in the card or the second link down in the description box below. I created these on episode 1 of season 1 of Senza Ikhaya.
Now don't forget, if you want the plans for this console table, drop me an email. My email address is down in the description box below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at DIYYolande. I'm also on Facebook now. Check it out. Check out my Facebook page at DIYYolande. If you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait for you to see what LK Home did from my YouTube channel. So head on over down to my description box and click that link and go see what she has done. And don't forget to subscribe to her channel. I love you guys so much. You are enjoying Senza Ikhaya, which means we are making a home. Don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time.